Yesterday, Tesla Giga Berlin held a family day for Giga Berlin employees, and I have a rare footage of a factory tour from Giga Berlin, thanks to our friend Jurgen, who tweets at GF for Tesla, who has been chronicling Tesla Giga Berlin from day one. So you're seeing that on your screen. Friends, just like fellow Silicon Valley companies, Elon Musk's ventures such as Tesla and SpaceX are known for their work hard, play hard culture. Long hours and sleepless nights are pretty much expected, but employees can also expect Elon Musk to throw large fun parties for them and their families. A former SpaceX engineer even informed Wired magazine that Elon Musk once converted the SpaceX factory floor into a full-blown carnival for a party. And in 2016, Elon Musk rented out a whole stadium for a simple Tesla party to thank employees for making Tesla profitable. With this in mind, it is no surprise to see Tesla Europe holding a grand family day party at Giga Berlin factory for the electric car companies, employees and their families. Images and videos shared online showed that the event was exclusively for Giga Berlin employees and their families. It also involved tours through the facility's production line, which you're seeing on your screen. Reports from electric vehicle community members in the area noted that an evening party was held as well after the tour. So scenes from the family day celebrations were highlighted by Tesla Europe in a Twitter post and in our friend's Jurgen's post. The video showcased several compelling events prepared by Tesla for the family day attendees, ranging from factory tours through the Model Y production line to dedicated areas for children, including a test truck for child-sized Teslas. Overall, the Giga Berlin Family Day seemed to be a lot of fun and an excellent way for the company to show its appreciation of its employees. Gigafactory Berlin plays a crucial role, friends, in Tesla's operations today as the facility responsible for producing the Tesla Model Y electric crossover and bringing Tesla's most popular vehicle to market in Europe and beyond Europe. The facility is also unique among Tesla's factories as it features a paint shop capable of producing special paint colors such as Quicksilver and Midnight Cherry in red. You have seen those in my videos. So what do you think about how far Tesla Giga Berlin has gone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. There are two new photos of Cybertruck's interior, and they have leaked, and they show the truck's rudimentary dash design. Take a look at that, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Despite recent reports that production of the Tesla Cybertruck is nearing, along with a growing number of spy shots showing Cybertruck test modes, we still haven't had a really good look at the interior of Tesla's first cargo bed-toting Cybertruck. Now, nearly 4 years after CEO Elon Musk first announced the Cybertruck in 2019, we're getting our first real look at the interior of the Cybertruck. One of the test modes was photographed at a recent Tesla shareholder meeting held in Texas, and the leaked image appeared on the Cybertruck Owners Club forum, which is ironic because, well, there aren't any Cybertruck owners yet, but these are probably the future owners who have put the $100 deposit to be in the line for future Cybertruck delivery. The first photo was taken from the driver's point of view and shows a few key details. Immediately obvious is the nearly octagonal steering wheel that takes on a shape somewhere between a standard round wheel and Tesla's yoke-like tiller. No turn signal stalk is visible behind the wheel, with Teslas instead opting for capacitive buttons. Like on the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, the Cybertruck doesn't have a traditional gauge cluster. This further throws the large, nondescript dashboard into sharp perspective. Given the unconventional shape of the Tesla Cybertruck, the lengthy flat dashboard isn't all that surprising, but it looks uninspired nonetheless. What do you think, friends? I think you would agree with that. Like all other Teslas, the vast majority of the truck's controls reside in the center touchscreen. The large horizontal display works with the steering wheel to break up an otherwise empty dash, which is devoid of any visible HVAC vents or charging outlets. The center console seems to also fit in with the general theme of Cybertruck. The sliding cover for the console looks to mimic the tonneau cover for the truck bed. Initially, there were claims that the center console would fold up the create of third jump seat, though it is tough to tell from the leaked images if that is still the case. So, friends, we will soon start seeing more of Tesla's highly anticipated and long overdue electric pickup truck. Who knows, but we'll keep an eye on for official details, as well as leaks, as well as prices, and I'll let you know once we get more images of the Cybertruck interior. So if you are here first time, please take a moment and subscribe to this channel, Torque News channel, for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think when you see this Cybertruck images? Look how quiet is the Pepsi Tesla semi when this huge truck is making a U-turn. A Twitter user shared a short video this morning of a Pepsi Tesla semi truck making a U-turn. Let's take a look at that.
That's tight, bro.
The video was taken in an unspecified location, but it is believed to be in California. The video shows the truck making a smooth and quiet U-turn, which is impressive considering its size and weight. The Pepsi Tesla Semi is one of the first electric semi-trucks, friends, to be put into commercial use. Pepsi has been testing the truck for several months, and it is now being used to deliver products in California. The truck is powered by a battery pack that can provide up to 300 miles of range on a single charge. The Pepsi Tesla Semi is a significant step forward for the electric vehicle industry. It is the first large-scale electric truck to be put into commercial use, and it could help to pave the way for other companies to adopt electric trucks. Pepsi has been testing the Tesla Semi truck for several months, and it is now being used to deliver products in California. The truck is powered, like I said, by battery pack that can give you 300 miles. Pepsi has said that it is pleased with the performance of the Tesla Semi truck. The truck has been able to meet all of Pepsi's delivery needs locally, and it has been able to do so in a more environmentally friendly way. Pepsi is planning to add more Tesla Semi trucks to its fleet in the future. The company believes that the Tesla semi-truck is a key part of its strategy to reduce its environmental impact. Now, what is the future of electric semi-trucks? The Pepsi Tesla Semi is a significant step forward for the electric vehicle industry. It is the first large-scale electric truck to be put into commercial use, and it could help to pave the way for other companies to adopt more electric trucks. The electric semi-truck market is still in its early stages, but it is growing rapidly. Several other companies, including Daimler, Volvo, and Nikola, are developing electric semi-trucks, although I don't know where Nikola stands with what happened in recently. As the electric semi-truck market continues to grow, it is likely that we will see more and more companies adopting electric trucks. This is good news for the environment, for the fresh air that we breathe in our cities, as electric trucks produce zero emissions. So what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.